So we will first open the Google Colab. When to open it, we will search it for in the Google, and then here we will open the new notebook. We will just print one statement here to check. Then run. We will click this play button icon. It will play first. If time it will connect to the server. So it is now connected and got printed. If you see connection property, you will see 12 GB of RAM and 108 GB of storage is provided for like few hours. So we can run the PySpark code. I change the notebook name here, PySpark code demo. I will add one more child to run the code. We will generate this code using the Gemini. We will put this prompt to write a PySpark code to read a CSV file. Here we will be having three options: accept and run, accept and cancel. We will simply accept, we will review, and then we will run the code. So everything is correct. We will run it. It will fail because this path is not correct. We have to change this path. So I have already uploaded this file into the Google Colab. We first of all we have to open that file like folder icon there, and then from here you will be able to copy that file path. We have to copy and then put that path in the code, and we will again run it. The same procedure. We'll click the play button icon. Now here the code displayed the data frame and the structure of the data frame. This is the second code which I already copied. So this will give us the total student sum. So now this is the total sum. To get the total sum, we have to use the with column to add one new column, and then we have to perform whatever operation we have to perform, like sum, minus, mean. As per whatever calculation, we can pass that as a mathematical calculation we can do. Then we will now use the rank function to generate the rank for a specific student, like which is the highest and which is the lowest. So for that we have to use the window function in the PySpark. First of all, in window function we have to define the windows uh, in which we want to perform the rank operation. So I have set this rank operation within the student underscore total column, and then we will be using this. It will generate the rank, and it will ordered it according to that column. If you see, Kavya is having the highest, but in the above table it will be in the middle and the random order as per the file. But in the second table it is the as per the sorted based on the total student count. Now I want to add the percentage column to this data frame. So if you like, I'll add that percentage column to this table now. I'll add that again. Use to add that column, I will use dot with method, dot with column method. Again, to add the new column, I use the dot with column method. I'll change the column name percentage, and then the operation I want to perform. Here I want to perform the percentage. That is, we have total four columns, so we will simply divide that total value to the 4 to get the percentage. So now we got the percentage here. Yep. So this is the final output what we got. Now we will store this final output table into a CSV file. So to save it, we have to use PySpark df.write.csv function. To write this, to save this into a CSV file, we will use df.write.csv function. Here it will store that file into this particular collab folder structure. If you see here, after running successfully, it will created folder. Here two file will get generated. One is a part file and one is a success file. So part file is the file, CSV file. Now, if we see open that file, that will contain our final output.